Welcome to the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado ZR2. This beautiful ZR2 Silverado is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine made up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Silverado ZR2, power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, automatic headlights there as well, fog light availability. You do have your trailer mode, driving modes, heads-up display controls. We have a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters on the reverse side. Full digitalized gauge cluster. Truck has 5 kilometers, brand new. Push button ignition. We do have a 13.4-inch touchscreen using the Google operating system. We have Google Maps, Google Assistant, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay both available. Dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating. Integrated chiller braking system as well. Your shifter knob is now in the center. All black interior with the yellow stitching and gray dash. Bose audio throughout as well. And the beautiful Silverado ZR2 interior. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Silverado ZR2, we have the 18-inch wheel and tire package. Beautiful ZR2 only available 18-inch blacked out rims with the 33-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires. We have the suspension, the Multimatic DSSV suspension as well on the ZR2, ready to go anywhere. Fender flares over top of the body. Blacked out door handles. You do have ZR2 branding on the front fender, 6.2 liter on the front hood. Coming down the side, you do have the factory lift kit available on these trucks as well, making room for the big wheel and tire packages, as well as the ground clearance you need. Coming to the front, LED daytime running lamps, fog lights, turn signals, and grill lights. ZR2 grill only with the flow tie, red signature recovery hooks. You do have metal skid plates as well underneath the body of the Silverado ZR2. This is a crew cab, rear tinted privacy windows with remote start available. Towards the back of the truck, LED brake lights with rear parking sensors, trailer tow package, multi-pro tailgate, and Silverado ZR2 branded on the tailgate. You do have the inbox liner as well. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Silverado ZR2, we have the heated and car seat ready end seats here, 60-40 split, in-seat storage feature available, folds up in that 60-40 with under-seat storage, sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top with a black headliner and LED lighting, single pane sunroof, and your 3-stage heated seats and USB ports. This is the crew cab Silverado, so you have tons and tons of room in the back of the cab. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 Silverado ZR2. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.